Today we eat chicken stew with organ and aubergines at mint. The ingredients are chicken, fresh organ, some garlic, fresh mint, aubergines. Let's start the preparation. Don't forget to add to the ingredients also some celery. Let's cook the chicken in cold water. Here's one aubergine we saw it before. We have broken it in pieces. We boiled it, and after we seasoned it with some mint. Let's fry the chicken with a trickle of oil. Let's fry the chicken we cooked for about 2 hours and 30 minutes previously. Let's add some garlic and some wild marjoram and some salt. Let's fry everything. Let's season the aubergines at cold with a trickle of oil and some salt and mint. Let's put into the plate the chicken. Let's add the aubergines. Let's put some fresh organ and some flowers to embellish our dish. The trickle of oil. The dish is ready.
Adesso condiamo le nostre melanzane a freddo con un filo d'olio, pizzico di sale e la nostra menta. Piazziamo il nostro pollo. Mettiamo le nostre melanzane. Mettiamo un po' di origano fresco e un po' di fiori per abbellire il nostro piatto. Un filo d'olio. Il piatto è pronto. Buon appetito!